Electric cars are the future of transportation as they promise a clean and green environment.
The updated version of the OS has too many bugs in it.
The new dormitories provided to students are of superlative quality and yet affordable.
Please make sure that you all follow the departmental guidelines without fail.
The highest production of chocolate is done in the United States of America.
We'll have to leave by 5:30 p.m. as there would be very heavy traffic in the evening.
The physics lab is located in the C wing of the university.
Central government is finding ways to bring technology and agriculture together.
Most of the animals have triangular vocal cords, except for the ferocious lions, who have square vocal cords.
Due to increased number of patients, the hospital will have to increase its staff too.
The first human being to travel to space was a Soviet cosmonaut.
Various solutions were proposed for the imminent crisis in the country.
The food that doesn't have any artificial additives and is grown without applying any chemicals is called organic food.
There are many species yet to be discovered by the biologists.
Rosita cried of happiness when she learned that she has won the competition.
You must get your car serviced every 6 months in order to get an optimum useful life.
It is the support of your loved ones that help get through the tough times.
Americans can imitate a British accent easily, however, imitating the American accent is difficult for an Englishman.
All the lectures will be recorded and will be made digitally available to all students. Newspapers around the world are reporting about the largest democratic exercise, that is Indian general elections.
The true reason behind global hunger is poverty, and not lack of food.
Acupuncture is a form of alternative medicine in traditional Chinese medicines.
Cricket was probably created during Saxon times by children living in southeast England.
You need to take left and then go straight to reach the washroom.
We must not get discouraged by the problems we face in life.
People are scared to keep their money in banks, after the collapse of two major banks last year. The maximum number of muscles are used while swimming than in any other sport.
The largest living mammals on the land are elephants.
People need to understand that cleaning up the environment has become a necessity now.
JPSE College supports their students not only financially, but emotionally as well via expert therapists. College fees have become extremely expensive nowadays.
I didn't agree with his perspective in the report, but his presentation was good.
Kindly explain how is sustainability defined in the final report.
I did check my wardrobe, but I couldn't find anything to wear that fits the occasion.
Please read the instructions carefully before starting the survey.
The blood from the heart to other parts of the body is transferred by arteries.
I'm waiting for a day when each one of us will plant at least one tree in a lifetime.
Acupuncture is a pseudoscience, as its techniques and theories are not based on scientific knowledge.
The demand for fast food mostly relies on marketing than on word of mouth. It is enthralling to observe the correlation between the brain's activities and actual behavior.